up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add outer bio after post content into a simple, fast, effective yet free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, please go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, yourdomain.com, yourdomain.net plus WP admin into the browser search bar. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins and click on Add New Plugin submenu. Remember, to access dashboard, you need to enter username or email and password, okay, into the WP login page. After, into this page, review the upper right corner of your screen. Into Search Plugins, there is an empty field. Click and type WP Code Lite, just like this. Click on Install Now. Click into the Activate button. That's gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And if you scroll down just a little bit and review the left sidebar of menus once again, you're gonna be able to find a new submenu called Code Snippets. Hover your mouse over it and click into the submenu plus Add Snippet. Now review this middle sidebar right here. We can see all snippets, popular, admin, archive, attachments. Review the last one, widgets. Click and into the first of the second column, we have outer bio after post. To access this, you need to connect your site to WP Code Library. It's free. All you have to do is click into this blue button that's gonna appear to connect. You're gonna see a pop-up window where you can enter your email, your username, and password. After, you're gonna be redirected back to your WordPress site with all unlocked just like this. Here is the code. And we can click on Use Snippet. After, all we have to do to make it work is review the upper right corner of our screen into this option. Change next to the update button, we have a switcher. We're gonna change from inactive to active and hit the update button. Simple, right? After this, you're gonna be able to see your gravatar, your email, your gravatar, your name, your username, and your bio after post contents of your blog. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!